I did a story a while ago on a company called Hypervision, who created a device that can project a 3D holographic display, and when these devices are linked together, can display huge animated 3D holographic projections. And this system was called Hypervision Wall. Well, Hypervision has taken this technology one step further and created an interactive holographic display which they showed off at the Consumer Electronics Show CES 2020. So far, the system has three uses, called holographic gaming, hyperfaces, and 3D modeler. Holographic gaming does exactly as the name suggests. You can play games on a 3D holographic display, but right now they only have Tetris, so don't expect to be playing Fortnite anytime soon. The second system is called Hyperfaces, and looks like it's just for a bit of fun, where it shows your image with a fun face over the top, sort of like a 3D phone app. But the final system, called 3D Modeler, is what I wanted to talk about, as I have come across many companies trying to make an interactive holographic system, but they all use various glass domes or cylinders that the light can be reflected onto to give a holographic appearance. But Hypervision uses its Hypervision Wall system and now turns it into something akin to what Tony Stark might use, where you can rotate, turn and pull apart 3D models floating in mid-air to see the various parts inside. And the best part? You can do it all with your bare hands and without any need for wearing special glasses or gloves. Now, for all those who are still not sure what the Hypervision Wall is and how it works, the company filmed one of the presentations at the CES 2020 show for me, and here it is.
And I do want to kind of go through a little bit about what Hypervision is. So let's look inside the tech a little bit and see how it works. So first of all, we have the hardware, and I have a unit here that is not operating right now, but you can see all the high-intensity LEDs that are on the rays. There's 4 rays, and when the device starts spinning, it gets up to about 670 RPM, and when it does that, that's when the magic happens, because then you see the image that's created in a 3D holographic image, but you do not see the medium that's delivering that image to your eyes, because your eyes cannot track the blades anymore. And for that reason, that you have the magic of the hologram. That's a single solo unit. If you put them together, look what you can create up here. This is 60 units, all put together and synchronized to a millisecond. So you can get very grandiose. I always get asked, how big can you go with this, right? How big is your wall? So if you can plug them in and you can put them together, you can keep going. So I'd like to have somebody out there push the envelope and see what they could do.
Now, we are a long way off creating the kind of technology we see Tony Stark use in the Iron Man movies, because stopping light at a set point in thin air is impossible, unless you have the light strike a surface like smoke or glass. So the next best thing is to create technology to fool your eyes into thinking the light is being projected into the air in front of you. That is where a system like Hypervision Wall 3D Modeler comes in. A future technology so close you can almost touch it. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.